Okay, so I'm going to show you a problem in Proxmox. So if you're in a VM in Proxmox and you want to type special characters, using the shift key and type in special characters, it's just not working. Let me just show you quickly. So I'm just running Kali Linux in Proxmox using no VNC. So let's open a text editor. And obviously typing the colon happens quite a lot. So let's see what happens if I press shift, type the colon. It's typing the semicolon. So it's fine with everything on the bottom of the key. Special characters that's in the bottom. But the ones that work with the shift key, it's not working. It's just not working. It just keeps typing the same damn thing. Doesn't matter what I'm doing. I can type shift and for the exclamation, the @ nothing. So the problem is in Firefox and Librewolf. If you go to about config and you type in privacy resist fingerprinting, that's the goddamn problem. So you have to make that false. No, it's like a privacy setting. You actually want that enabled. That's why I actually use Librewolf for these privacy settings. But I mean, I can't do anything in can't type in any special characters. Now if I go to Brave, so I've got this open in Brave as well, my Proxmox. So if I do it in Brave, it's fine. It's got a similar type of fingerprinting type of setting, but it obviously doesn't block that. But I want to use Librewolf. All my dashboards are in here. I'm using pfSense dashboard, the Proxmox dashboard, and a few others. I don't want to use it in Brave now. I don't want to have some there and some here. I like it at one spot. Unfortunately, you have to disable this goddamn setting by just double clicking it, set it false. So now it's false in Librewolf. If I go back now, just delete that. It's goddamn fine. So yeah, that is a problem, and they are really fingering you on that one. I'm just gonna leave it off now. Fuck it. That's it.